Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the desktop refresh option not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The first step to resolve the issue is to restart File Explorer. To do this, press the Windows key and type Task Manager into the search bar. Open the Task Manager once it appears. After it loads, locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select the Restart option. If restarting File Explorer does not resolve the problem, the next solution is to update your Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side list. On the right pane, click on Check for Updates. The third method involves performing an SFC scan. Open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command sfc:/scan and then press Enter to initiate the System File Checker scan. Finally, the last solution is to update your drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Within Device Manager, look for any drivers that have an exclamation mark next to them, indicating a potential issue. You can right-click on these drivers and select Update. Alternatively, when you update Windows itself, many drivers are updated automatically. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.